Hello, how are you doing, my friends? I hope you're doing great. So, there's this question that many people have been asking about the children, and in this regard, when applying for the green card lottery, one of them said, I have these children that belong to my sister, and I've been living with them since the sister died, since they were little children, and they are like my children. How about them? Should I add them? So, today, guys, I want to discuss on the list of children that you're supposed to add in your application in the DV lottery, the famous green card lottery. So why don't we sit down and discuss on this? So guys, these are the children that are eligible to be added when you are applying for the famous green card lottery. And these children that I'm about to discuss, they should, the first condition, they should not have exceeded 21 years of age. The second condition is that these children that I'm about to discuss, they should not be married. They should be single. Those two conditions should be fulfilled in these children that I'm about to discuss. So what are the children that I'm supposed to add or are eligible to be added in the application of the green card lottery? The first group of children that you're supposed to add that are eligible is definitely the children that you have given birth to. We call them your natural children. So if you have children that you have given birth to, maybe you are the husband or you are the wife. These children, they are called the natural children, and they are qualified to be added in the list. And these children are the children that you get with your spouse. If you got these children with your spouse, they are eligible. Number two, even if you are married to a spouse and the spouse came in with the children, then they are eligible to be in the application. And if you had children before marriage, you have children but you don't have a spouse, these children are also eligible because they are your children, the children that you gave birth to. That is the first class, the first category of children that are very eligible for this green card lottery. The second list of children, they are the step children. The children of your spouse. For example, you got married to this spouse and this spouse came in with children that he or she naturally gave birth to. So if these children, they were born to this spouse, then these children, they are eligible as your stepchildren. So all the stepchildren are eligible to be added in the application. That is the second category. Children of your spouse, your stepchildren, the children that you are fostering. The third category of children that are qualified to be added during the application of the green card lottery are the adopted children. And this becomes tricky. Adoption does not mean that maybe, for example, your brother or your sister or your cousin or your aunt or anybody related to you has died and left behind the children. And then out of charity, you took the children and you are staying with as you help them as they grow. You are nurturing them. So adoption does not mean the children of your cousin, the children of your sister, or your siblings. It does not imply that. Adoption means that you take these children and by court procedure, you have claimed them as your own. So they are legally adopted to you. You can also take an outside child not related to you in any way, and you follow the court procedures and you make this child become your own child, your legally adopted child. These are the adopted children that I'm speaking about. So you have a legal document confirming that you have adopted this child. Then this child is eligible for the application. He or she is eligible to be added in the application of the DV lottery. So the third category is the children that you have adopted. And as a reminder, any of your children, be it your natural children or your stepchildren or your adopted children, they should be under the age of 21 years. Number two, they should be single, not married. Even if he or she is 17 years of age and they are married, they are disqualified. I hope the question about the children that are supposed to be added in the application is correctly answered. And please, let's meet in the next video.